How to fix OneDrive error 0x8004de81. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. First and foremost, you should check whether you have problems with the app itself and the internet connection. For that, you can start with the built-in troubleshooters. Resetting OneDrive can resolve issues by refreshing your account settings and file synchronization without losing data. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.